Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number 2 on Dialux Evo, which is a very free course on my YouTube channel available. You have to know nothing to pay. You have to only to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on your social media profiles. In this lecture, we will get introduction about the Dialux Evo and inspirations, what you can do in the Dialux Evo. Dialux Evo is a powerful and free software tool designed for professional lighting design. It allows users to create, calculated, and visualize lighting for various environments, including single rooms, entire floors, buildings, and outdoor scenes. That means a Dialux Evo. It is basically a lighting design software in which you can create, calculate, and visualize lighting for various environments, for a single room, for a building, for an outdoor stadium, for a substation. All these things are included in this Dialux Evo. You can do all these things in the Dialux Evo. Here are some key features of the Dialux Evo. Importing plans, you can import the plans whatever the DWG file, that is the AutoCAD file, you can import in the Dialux Evo and work on that. Furniture object placement, you can place the objects like furniture like chair, table, and a sofa and other things on your design and work on that. Luminar selection, select and arrange luminaires from different catalogs, adjust their height, position, and aiming. You can import the luminaire, select the luminaires from different catalogs which are supplying the lights. From these catalogs you can import you can select the luminaires and see their position, adjust their height, position, and aiming. All these things you can do. Lighting calculation and visualization, lighting and visualize lighting effects in both 2D and 3D in indoors and outdoors. You can visualize the lighting and calculate the lighting luminous in both 2D and 3D views in this software. Now I will show some the pictures, some the building structures which are designed on the Dialux Evo. Their lighting design system or designed on the Dialux Evo. You can see how beautiful are they. This is the library. This is not a mosque. When I first saw this is the actually a library. This is not a issue seems like a mosque, but it is a library. It is all the lighting are designed. All this is designed on the Dialux Evo. See, this is the blue mosque called in the Oman. This is in Oman, and it is also designed on the Dialux Evo. See how beautiful it is. And this is the system which this is the one story building, a very simple building that we have created on Dialux Evo, and we have adjusted these furniture in the Dialux Evo. This floor is also created by the Dialux Evo. This counter is also created by Dialux Evo. All the chairs, table is created by the Dialux Evo. See, this is the sink, and this is the kitchen area, and this is the outside one side of the kitchen. All the things are made on the Dialux Evo. You can learn all these things in this software, in this YouTube channel, in this video lectures. Thank you.